Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of top-tier home entertainment with a detailed review of the Samsung DU7200 60-inch Crystal 4K UHD Smart TV 2024 model. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. This TV promises to deliver a premium viewing experience, and after spending some time with it, I'm excited to share my thoughts. First off, the design of the Samsung DU7200 is sleek and modern, making it a great addition to any living room. The ultra-thin bezels maximize the screen space, giving it a minimalist look that's both stylish and immersive. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy stand that ensures stability. Display quality. The highlight of this TV is undoubtedly its Crystal 4K UHD display. The picture quality is stunning, with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive brightness. Samsung's Crystal processor 4K does an excellent job of upscaling content, ensuring even non-4K content looks sharp and detailed. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing video games, the clarity and richness of the visuals are top-notch. Smart features. As a smart TV, the DU7200 comes packed with features that make it a versatile entertainment hub. The interface is user-friendly and responsive, allowing you to easily navigate through apps, settings, and content. Popular streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus are readily available, and the TV supports voice control via Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant, making it easy to find what you're looking for without lifting a finger. Sound quality. The sound quality is another area where this TV shines. The built-in speakers provide clear and balanced audio, with decent bass and crisp highs. For those who want an even more immersive audio experience, the DU7200 supports Dolby Atmos, allowing you to connect external sound systems for a theater-like experience. Performance. Performance-wise, the DU7200 excels. The interface is smooth, and there's no noticeable lag when switching between apps or streaming content. The TV's motion handling is also impressive, making it ideal for watching fast-paced sports or action-packed movies without any motion blur. Verdict. Overall, the Samsung DU7200 60-inch Crystal 4K UHD Smart TV 2024 model is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system. It offers fantastic picture quality, a wealth of smart features, and solid sound performance, all wrapped up in a sleek and stylish design. Whether you're a movie buff, a sports fan, or a gamer, this TV has something to offer. If you're in the market for a new TV, the Samsung DU7200 should definitely be on your list. It delivers on its promises and provides a truly enjoyable viewing experience. Thanks for reading. If you have any questions or comments about the Samsung DU7200, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and tech updates. See you next time.